Spring ephemeral flowers are known for their minimalism. With few leaves, sometimes only one or two. Flowers often have nectar but tend to be small. Just enough investment to get the job done when you're not going to stay long, and spring weather is a gamble. Virginia bluebells, however, seem to pull out all the stops, with many leaves and flowers, with almost summer-like energy, in some areas carpeting the bottomlands. Known for their drooping blue nectar tube flowers and pink raisin flower buds, they are a study in colors. Virginia bluebells keep to moist, low, treed areas like floodplains near creeks and rivers, taking advantage of energy reaching the ground through the still leafless canopy. The inflorescence, a cyme where new growth alternates to form new terminal flowers, is reminiscent of a scorpion's tail. Let's look at the flower. 5 green sepals, 5 fused petals forming a tube, 5 white stamens with brown anthers, 1 long pale style. Nectar is found at the back of the tube, the idea being that only a few pollinators will work these same flowers, the specialists wasting little pollen. But when we look closer at the flower tubes, what are these marks? Let's watch a few visits by a carpenter bee. Here a good bee. She's pushing past the pollen-covered anthers to get to the back nectar. She gets covered with pollen that then may be transferred to the next flower. Here's a bee that didn't get the pollination memo. She's visiting the end of the tubes on the outside, biting a hole in the tube and stealing the nectar. She's bypassed any chance of doing pollination and defeated the purpose of the flower. A larger problem is that invasive plants have gotten into areas that spring ephemerals are limited to. Here, Japanese knotweed among bluebells. For now, each year, for just a few weeks, bluebells shine in shades of blue or pink, or even white. Bluebells have a certain boldness and vigor, a leafiness and abundance not seen in most other spring flowers. Their time is fleeting, like the season, but they foreshadow the longer-lasting colors of late spring and summer.